In this video, I will show you how to enable AI story effects on Instagram. So for that, what you'll have to do is open up Play Store. In the search bar, search for Instagram. After that, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply make sure you update your app. Once you have your app updated, simply open up the app. From here, click on Your Story in the top right corner. From there, simply choose the media. After that, in this right side, you can see this edit menu bar. You can simply click on this sparkle icon. From here, if the feature has already been rolled out to your device, here you will find multiple trending preset AI prompts that you can simply add, or you can write something manually. After that, you can simply click on send. And after that, AI will take few seconds to process the media. After that, simply click on done and then you can post your story. And that's it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.